Welcome to Sai Master Academy. So today we are going to start junior intermediate trigonometry. Already you learnt in 10th class some about trigonometry till I think properties, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, how we can use the properties. So you learn till there, but I will explain you once again. So I don't want to explain that what is sin theta, opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. But I will write once how many trigonometric ratios. How many ratios? 6 ratios. One is what? Sin theta. One is cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. About all these trigonometric ratios, about theta angle, everything you have in your textbook. And already you know in 10th class. Okay, if you want, spend some time and just learn everything you will get. If you'll not understand in 10th class, you can study and understand here in intermediate. That is, I think, page number 224 or 225. Okay, everything is there. What about angle? From angle there you have everything. And you know, till properties, that is identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Okay. I'm writing those also once, the properties. And before that, I think you know that sin theta is the reciprocal of cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Similarly, we have remaining two also. Sin theta is the reciprocal of cosecant theta. We can write cosecant theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Finally, we can write one formula: cosecant theta into sin theta is always equal to 1. The same way, more to have we have, that is the second one. Cos theta is reciprocal of secant theta. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So you will get one formula: secant theta into cos theta is always equal to 1. Cos theta into secant theta also 1. Third one, tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Therefore, we can write what? Tan theta into cot theta is equal to always 1. So these are in product we have. Now more, fourth one, you know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. Then we can write what is sin square theta? What we can write? 1 minus cos square theta. What we can write cos square theta? 1 minus sin square theta. And also we can write here sin theta is equal to plus or minus root over 1 minus cos square theta. Cos theta is equal to plus or minus root over 1 minus sin square theta. We can write one trigonometric ratio in terms of all remaining. So that is a flexibility in trigonometry. And the fifth one, what? More one. What is the fifth one? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Then we can write secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. We can write tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Tan square theta 1 this side. So we can write what here secant theta? Root over 1 plus tan square theta. We can write tan theta plus or minus root over secant square theta minus 1. The last identity, that is the sixth one. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to also 1. Then we can write what is cosecant square theta? 1 plus cot square theta. What we can write cot square theta? Cosecant square theta minus 1. So here which is equal to plus or minus root over 1 plus cot square theta, which is equal to plus or minus root over cosecant square theta minus 1. So here we have how many formulas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3 is 15. 15, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 9. 15 plus 9, what? 24 formulas. And also we have sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, and also cot theta. More 6 formulas. opposite by hypotenuse, like that we have all formulas. And also tan theta sin theta by cos theta there, cot theta cos theta by sin theta there. Okay na? So here clearly 24 formulas in this speech, already you know this. Okay na? Now very important thing, we have to know how to find the values of trigonometric ratios. I think you know till 90, sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. Okay, I'm telling once again, I'm not writing sin theta equal hypotenuse by opposite. Those formulas I'm not writing. You have in your textbook already, you know, in 10th class. Now, how we can find the values till 90, you know, I think you know the table also. Okay, what is that? First, sin, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant, right? And here 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Sin 0, 0. Already you know that's why I'm writing directly. But in your textbook, మన textbook లో clear గా ఎలా వస్తుందో కూడా ఉంది. And sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 90, 1. Cos, reciprocal. Reverse. So that is what? Not reciprocal, sorry, reverse. 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Then tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. 0 by 1, 0. This by this, 1 by root 3, 2 to cancel. This is 1, this is 2 to cancel only root 3. This is 1 by 0 undefined. Again cot theta reverse, undefined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Again secant theta, reciprocal of cos theta we can write. Reciprocal of cos theta. This is 1, again 1 by 1, 1. And this is root 3 by 2, this will be 2 by root 3. Reciprocal is different to reverse. And this is what? 1 by root 2, which is root 2. And this is 1 by 2, which is 2. This is 1 by 0, infinity. 1 by 0, this is 1 by cos theta, right? And again reverse. Or you can write reciprocal of sine for cosecant. So what you will get? First infinity, and this is 2, and this is root 2, and this is 2 by root 3, and this is what? 1. So this is about till 90. Till what? 90. But here we have more than 90 also. That's it. That is till infinite. How you can find? What is sine 565? So that type of values also, questions also we have here. How we can find? I will explain you very easy. So this you have already in your 10th class. Okay. After that, what you'll get angle, you know, 120, then 135, then 150. Just you have to add all this. First 90, then add for 90 45, then add for 90 60, then add for 90 again 90. Then you will get like this. These values we can write easily. Other than these values will be difficult. We have to remember some values also. Here we have, I will give you. Okay, for those time, the type of questions like sine 516, 225, like this type of questions also, we have one more box I will give you. That is, you have in your page number 227, 227, and I will explain you example for that also. That is what? Angle or trigonometric ratio, right? So what we have? N pi minus theta now, first of all, then n pi plus theta now, then 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 minus theta, right? Then 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 plus theta, right? And the ratios: sin alpha, cos alpha, cos alpha, tan alpha. For this n pi minus theta, you will get what? Minus 1 whole power n plus 1, huh? N plus 1 sin theta. Then second one, what you will get? Minus 1 whole power n cos theta. Cos theta. Next, minus tan theta. Then second one, minus 1 whole power n sin theta. And this is minus 1 whole power n cos theta, and this is tan theta. What about this? Minus 1 whole power n cos theta, and this is minus 1 whole power n sin theta. And what about this? Cot theta, and this is minus 1 whole power n, same, cos theta, and this is minus 1 whole power n plus 1, right? Minus 1 whole power n plus 1 sin theta, and this is minus cot theta. Okay, see, actually, before this you have to know something that I will tell you, that the ratio, trigonometric ratio, lies in which quadrant and what is the position, what is the sign, that you have to know compulsory, otherwise that you can't find the values. I think I explained you already. Respective quadrant, all silver teacups. Did you remember? Huh? All silver teacups. See here, quadrant system. This is which axis? X axis. Actually, this is x axis. Here we have the name even axis. This is y axis. We have a name odd axis. X axis, even axis, y axis, odd axis. You have to remember. Very important. This is okay. And this is the starting angle with what? 0. Then what? 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees, again 90, 450, 540, 630, 720, again 90, 7, 9, 810. So like that we have to add 90, 90. Why? Because the angle between these two perpendicular lines is 90 degrees. So we should add 90, 90, 90, 90. You will get a big number which is a real number. Okay. So here in this is called quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4, or quarter also we can say. And here all are positive, that is all positive. Next, silver. Silver means sin theta positive and the reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta positive. Here T means tan theta positive and reciprocal cot theta positive. Cups means cos theta positive and the reciprocal is what? Secant theta positive. There all are positive. Sin, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Now, depending on this, we can find the value of any trigonometric ratio with any real number. Okay, tan 4560. So, like that, we can find. If you know this, in which quadrant, which is positive? That is the first point. First point, what? In which quadrant, which ratio is positive, which ratio is negative? First, you have to know that already we know. In first quadrant, all are positive. Second quadrant, only sin cosecant positive, remaining negative. Third quadrant, what? Tan cot positive, remaining negative. Fourth quadrant, what? Cos secant positive, remaining all negative. That is the first point. Second point, what? We have how many axes? Two axes, even axis, odd axis. What is happening on even axis and odd axis of the trigonometric ratio? On even axis, no trigonometric ratio will not change. No ratio changes. Sin only, cos tan, cot, secant, cosecant. So can you tell me 360 on even axis or odd axis? 360. Even axis or odd axis? Even axis. Okay. 720. Even axis. 360, 360, 720. Okay. 3600. Even axis. Ikkade 3600. This is only 36 more 10, 10, 10. You will get around the. Okay. And what about 90? Odd axis. 270? Odd axis. 450? Odd axis. Like this, we know which angle on odd axis, on even axis, easy we can find easily, which is divided by 180, exactly 180 even axis, only 90 odd axis. The value which is divided by 90, some values will be divided by 180, which is 90 is the multiple of 180. That is very careful. Okay, first point, what? which ratio is positive in which quadrant, that already clear. Second point, what? On which axis which is changing and how it will change. Even axis no ratio will change. Odd axis sin theta will change like what? Cos theta. Tan theta will change like what? Cot theta. Cot theta. Secant theta will change like what? Cosecant theta. Sin theta will changes like cos theta. Cos theta will changes like sin theta. And tan will cot, cot will tan, secant will cosecant, cosecant will secant. In this way, the ratios will change. Sin 90, it will change like cos. Minus cos or plus cos, that is depending on the quadrant. That's why we need to know 2 points, very, very important. One is what? In which quadrant which is positive, on which axis which is changing or not changing. If you know these two, you can find any value. Okay, we will check once. Okay, is this clear? Right, come to here. Till 90 we know. Now I want to find what about tan 210. Tan 210, is there 210? No. Now you can write this 210 plus or minus of known angles, like 90 plus 90 minus, 180 plus 180 minus, 270 plus 270 minus. Why, sir? I told you, know, that on even axis 180, 360, again 180 multiple, 360 multiple. On odd axis 90, 270, again 90, 90, like this one. You know? So that's why we have to write 210 like 180 plus 30 or tan 180 plus 30 or tan 210. After 210 we have 270. 270 minus 60. In any one of these way we can write, you will get the same answer. 180 plus 180 plus which quadrant? Tell me. 180 plus which quadrant? 0 to 90 first quadrant, 90 to 180 second quadrant, 180 to 270 third quadrant. 180 plus means which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan negative or positive? Positive, all silver teacup. So plus. Okay. I said that 2 points very important. First, in which quadrant which is positive. Second, on which axis which is changing or not changing. First one, tan 210 which belongs to quadrant 3. In quadrant 3, tan negative, tan positive, positive. 180 is 180 on even axis or odd axis? Even axis. 180 on even axis. On even axis, no ratios will change. Tan, tan only. Tan, what is angle? 30. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. Come to this side. Tan 270 minus 60 also is equal to 210 only. 270 minus which quadrant? Third quadrant. Which quadrant? Third quadrant. So which is equal to plus only. Okay, na? 270 minus 180 plus both are 210, which is third quadrant only, na? Okay, you can see this one. 210 which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan positive. Here also tan positive. But 270 which axis? Odd axis. Tan will change like cot. So cot, what is angle? 60. What is cot 60 also? 1. Understand? So you will get same value. We have one exercise completely on values, finding values. So I will not tell you anything. You have to find. See this. Just go with this. And also this will help you more. Yella sir, I will explain. Okay na? So understand how we are finding more than 90 values. Okay. So in this way, you should find, I will tell you what you have to find. You have to make a table, big table. Okay, I will tell you that. See, that is what you need to find. I will tell you. Just come to here. What is sine of 90? And I think you know the negative angles. I will explain you that also. Okay, na? Okay, come to the third one. So See here, sine of minus theta is always what? Minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta, which is only cos theta. Secant of minus theta, minus secant theta. Sorry, plus secant theta. It is better after cos go with cot, okay na? Tan, okay na? Tan of minus theta minus tan theta. Cot of minus theta minus cot theta. Secant of minus theta plus secant theta. Cosecant of minus theta minus cosecant theta. Any doubt? So these six also very important. Now come to the first one. 90 plus or minus theta. So in this plus or minus, first plus theta, first minus theta, sorry, first minus theta. What about sine 90 minus theta? Means which quadrant? Q1. Sine 90 minus theta. What is sine 90 minus theta? This 6, next 6, like fundamentals. Understand? We use many times. Sine 90 minus theta, which is first quadrant, positive. So cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, secant 90 minus theta, cosecant 90 minus theta, all are first of all positive. You will not get any ratio negative. For 90, ratio will change. Sine will change. Cos, tan, cot, tan, secant, cosecant, all are positive. For 90, minus. అదే కదా మనం నేర్చుకున్న quadrant one, all are positive. So here you are getting what? Cos theta, sin theta, sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, tan 90 minus theta, what? Cot 90 minus theta, what? Tan theta, secant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta, cosecant 90 minus theta, secant theta. This is for 90 minus. What about for 90 plus? Yes, that is the second one. Belongs to Q2. Just keep in your mind in Q2 what are the positive sign and cosecant, remaining all are negative. Okay. Okay, first I will write sine 90 plus theta, cos 90 plus theta, tan 90 plus theta, cot 90 plus theta, secant 90 plus theta, cosecant 90 plus theta. You know, in quadrant 2, sine and cosecant positive. So plus, remaining all are negative. Since quadrant, I told you na 2 points. First quadrant, second axis. Now 90 plus even axis or odd axis. So ratios will change. Sine cos theta, cos, sin theta, tan, cot theta, cot, tan theta, secant, cosecant theta, cosecant, secant theta. Now tell me what is tan 90 plus theta? Minus cot theta. Tan 90 plus theta is what? Minus cot theta. Okay. Next, after 90 plus what? 180 minus theta belongs to which quadrant? Q2. In Q2, these two only negative. Positive, remaining all are negative. But ratio will not change for 180. Na? So that is very important. I will give you till 180 minus theta. And after that, you have to find 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta. No need of 360. Okay, 360 plus theta. Okay, right. Sine of 180 minus theta, cos of 180 minus theta, tan of 180 minus theta, cot of 180 minus theta, secant of 180 minus theta, cosecant of 180 minus theta. We know in second quadrant what are the positive, sine positive and cosecant positive, remaining all are negative. But here on even axis 180, even axis ratio will not change. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. Now tell me what is tan 180 minus theta? Minus tan theta. So ratio will not change. Okay now. You have to write, how many you have to write, you know? Fourth one 180 plus theta. Fifth one 270 plus theta. Sixth one 270, sorry, this is minus not plus. 270 minus theta. Sixth one 270 plus theta. Seventh one 360 minus theta. Which quadrant this is? Yeah, 360 plus theta belongs to Q4, belongs to Q. This is belongs to Q1, belongs to Q4, belongs to Q4, belongs to Q3, belongs to Q3. Okay na? So you know in which quadrant which is positive, which is negative, simple. And you know on which axis which is changing or not changing, you know. So very easy. Now come to this part. I told you that by using this we can find different types of values also. For example, what is cot of 21 pi by 2 plus theta? 21 pi by 2 plus theta. This you have in a textbook. 21 pi by 2 plus theta or minus theta, whatever it is. This value I want. 21 pi by 2 plus theta, general process pi by 2 is what? 90. 90 into 21 something. Something plus theta, that's something where you have in your quadrant, you have to check and you have to find that is negative or positive, that is which quadrant. That is changing or not changing, on which axis we can find. You have to find first this value. Suppose if it will be 1800, you have to check 0, 90, 180, 270, 360, something. Where you are getting 180, 1800, there you have to check that is even axis or odd axis. Plus means that side, minus means this side. Then we can find which quadrant, first or second or third or fourth. Then we can find. That is the process, general process, basic process, this process. But here we have a table, very useful table. Cot 21 pi by 2 plus theta. Pi by 2 means 90, right? 90, huh? So here we have 90 related formulas, some formulas. See here 90 plus theta, we have 90 minus theta. So 90 plus theta means related to this one. So 90 plus theta means 90 multiple is what? 2n plus 1. But here we have what? 21. Then n will become what? By writing n value something, you will get 21. 10 correct. ఒకవేళ మనకు తెలియకపోతే ఎలా? Easy. Equal this equal to 21, then you will get n value. So if you write n equal to 10, then 2n plus 1 will become 2 into 10 plus 1 will become what? 21. So this is clearly in this form. N value will become what? 10. N value is 10 na? Clear na? Cot of 2 into 10 plus 1 into pi by 2 plus theta. This only same. Where n value is what? 10. This is which ratio? Cot. But here we have till tan. Then how we can find? Okay, take for tan only. Okay, I will give you tan and cot both. Tan of 2 into 10 plus 1 into pi by 2 plus theta, which is equal to tan. N is what now? 10. For tan 2n plus 1 pi by 2 plus theta, answer what? So answer is what? Clearly minus cot theta. Finish. Minus cot theta is answer. If you know this table, this much easy to find the solution. What about for cot, sir? Cot is reciprocal of tan, kada? Generally, what is the answer for tan? Minus cot theta. I am writing this is 1 by, I am finding this. Or I am writing this as like what? is equal to 1 by the same, like tan of 2 into 10 plus 1 into pi by 2 plus theta. Can I write tan cot theta is 1 by tan theta? What is the value of this? Minus cos theta. 1 by minus cos theta will be what? Minus tan theta. Cot will be tan. 1 by cot theta will be tan theta. So what is the answer for this? Minus tan theta. Suppose if you are, instead of cot, some different ratio, sine, same. So what is n here? 10. Sine. And this one, what is the answer? Minus 1 whole power n cos theta. I am writing here, see, sine of entadi 21 pi by 2 plus theta will become minus 1 whole power n. What is n? 10. 10 into cos theta. Minus 1 whole power, even number is 1 only. That is the answer is what? Cos theta. Suppose if you take cos theta, what is the answer? Minus 1 whole power n plus 1. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 is minus sin theta. So in this way, this is very easy table. This table, if you remember, it will make you the problem easy to find the values, especially finding what values. Understand? And these all are classwork, not homework. And every classwork is homework. ఇంటి దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళినా కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. అండ్ ఆల్సో హోంవర్క్ ఎట్లాగో హోంవర్క్. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ద ఫైండింగ్ వాల్యూస్ అండ్ ద ఐడెంటిటీస్. You have page number 228. Open page number 228. And you know complement angles and supplementary angles. What about complement angles? Complement angles means sum will be 90. Supplement angles, sum will be 180, remember. Okay. See here, they solved problems. First bit, find the values of 1, 2, 3. Practice. Second bit, simplify. Practice. Third bit, see, third one is the question. There you find the value of sin square something, sin square something, sin square something, sin square something. All somethings are different kada. Angles different. Angles are different. Okay. Sin square pi by 10, 4 pi by 10, 6 pi by 10, 9 pi by 10. So that is an example question. That is also very easy. You can solve, take as homework, not homework classwork. When you have free time, then you can practice here. Otherwise, you can practice at home. Now come to fifth question. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to what? Then find the fourth question. Fourth question undi kada ikkada mundu page lo. So tell me and consider that is as first question. Tell me the question. If 4 by 5 and this type of questions you have in a 10th class maybe. Yeah, if sin theta is equal to 4 by 5 and theta is not in the first quadrant, theta does not belongs to q1. What is cos theta? See, sin theta 4 by 5 means cos theta what? 3 by 5 from right angle triangle. 3, 4, 5. Okay now. So cos theta 3 by 5, but theta not in q1 is telling theta not in q1. Theta not in q1 means theta not in q1 means theta belongs to which quadrant? See, what is the value of sin theta? 4 by 5. Is that positive or negative? Positive. Sin positive in which quadrant? First and second quadrant. But he's telling first quadrant don't take. Then remaining one? Second quadrant. So theta belongs to q2. But cos theta value what? Theta belongs to which quadrant? In second quadrant cos. So the answer will be what? Minus 3 by 5. Understand? Be careful. Next, come to question number 5. Consider as question number 2. What is the question? If tan theta plus, sorry, secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. Then find what? Then find sin theta, and that is also we can take easy homework. Easier solve. There is no any trick. And sixth one, take as homework. That's also very, very easy. Now come to seventh one. Okay. So third one, the third also homework and cheptuna. The third consider as sixth one. Now take fourth question. What is the fourth question? If, and this type of questions very important. 3 sin theta plus a plus 4 cos theta is equal to 5. Then 4 sin theta minus cos theta and the, see, you have to observe here 3 sin theta here, 4 sin theta here, 4 cos theta there. Only a and b values are interchanging. A sin theta, b cos theta is equal to something. Then a cos theta plus b sin theta minus b sin theta what? ఇలా మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా క్వశ్చన్ అడిగితే సొల్యూషన్ సి హియర్. This is given equation number 1. I now let what we need to find 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. We need to find let something k. This is equation number 2. Now this type of questions I'm telling you, remember, just 1 square, 2 square and add. Squaring and adding both equations. LHS will add, RHS will add. Now LHS, this plus this whole square kada? 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta whole square plus 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole square is equal to 5 square plus k square. Now a plus b whole square, a square 9 sin square theta plus 16 cos square theta plus 2ab, 2 4 ja 8 3 ja 8 3 ja 24 sin theta cos theta, again a minus b whole square, a square 16 sin square theta plus b square 9 cos square theta minus 2ab 24 sin theta cos theta is equal to 25 plus k square. These two will get cancelled. Now we can take 9 sin square theta, 16 sin square theta, how much? 25 sin square theta. 25 sin square theta. Again 16 cos square theta, 9 cos square theta. 25 cos square theta is equal to 25 plus k square. Taking what common? 25 sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. That is 25 plus k square. 25 25 cancel. K square is equal to 0. 1. K is equal to 0. So what is this answer? 0. Final గా conclusion ఏంటి అంటే a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to something. Then b sin theta minus a cos theta is always 0 for anything. Okay na? Next see question number 8. But here we have question number 5. This is also very important. Tell me if cos theta plus sin theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta is equal to what? Root 2. Then what we need to find? Root 2 cos theta, na? Root 2 cos theta. Then what we need to find? Cos theta minus sin theta is equal to how much? Prove cheyamanada. We need to prove root 2 sin theta. Okay na? See same ide model. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Cos theta minus sin theta enti? See, A, B both are same there. A is 1, B is 1. Plus here, minus here. Plus here, minus here. Option number 1 ఇది. Option number 2 squaring on both sides చేయొచ్చు. బుక్లో ఉన్నట్టు కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఇలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. మీ ఇష్టం. ఎలా చేద్దాం? Your wish. This is equation number 1. And that is let కదా. Let cos theta minus sin theta is equal to k. Equation number 2. Then 1 square plus 2 square cos theta plus sin theta whole square plus cos theta minus sin theta whole square is equal to 2 cos square theta plus k square. Root 2 will be 2, cos will be cos square and k will be k square. Okay na? This is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square formula. Right? That is the formula, but adding these two also we have one more formula. Huh. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to nothing but what? 2 times of a square plus 2 times of b square. If you have minus what? 4 times of AB. Here 2AB, here 2AB, 4AB. ఈ డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములాస్ మళ్ళీ మీరు ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయకుండా గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? సో a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2ab plus 2ab cancel, a square అక్కడ ఒక a square, 2a square, b square, b square, 2b square. So you will get what? You will get what here? 2 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta plus a square. Okay now? These two will get, what is k square? 2 sin square theta. What is k? Root 2 sin theta. Adega? Hence proved. Another method. So here cos theta plus sin theta how much given? Root 2 cos theta given. Cos theta minus plus sin theta is given what? Root 2 cos theta. I'm doing rationalization. Rationalization means what you'll get? Cos theta plus sin theta into నాకు ఇది కావాలి కాబట్టి రేషనలైజ్ చేసుకుంటాం. Cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta taking it will be RHS. That is equal to root 2 cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Okay na? Now a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to root 2 cos theta into cos theta cos square theta minus root 2 cos theta sin theta. మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంటి అసలు? cos theta minus sin theta కావాలి అంతేనా? సో ఓకే, న్యూమరికల్ని రేషనలైజ్ చేసేద్దాం, ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. చూడండి ఒకసారి. న్యూమరికల్ని రేషనలైజ్ చేయాలంటే ఎలా చేయాలి? నెంబర్స్ని అంటే సేమ్ రేషియోస్ని ఒక దగ్గర రాసుకోవాలి. ఇది కాస్ థీటా కదా, దిస్ ఇస్ సైన్ థీటానా? కాస్ థీటా ఓకే, మైనస్ రూట్ 2 కాస్ థీటా లేదు, ఇట్ ఇస్ బెటర్ దీన్ని అటు పంపించేసి. సైన్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రూట్ 2 కాస్ థీటా మైనస్ కాస్ థీటా. ఓకే, నౌ సైన్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు టేకింగ్ వాట్ కామన్? కాస్ థీటా రూట్ 2 మైనస్ 1. సో ఇప్పుడు న్యూమరికల్ రూట్ 2 మైనస్ 1 అంటే రూట్ 2 ప్లస్ 1. రూట్ 2 ప్లస్ 1 ఇంటూ సైన్ థీటా cos theta root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1. This is a plus b into a minus b kada. Root 2 plus 1 into sin theta root 2 sin theta plus sin theta is equal to cos theta into a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, root 2 whole square అంటే 2, 2 minus 1 1. ఈ sin theta తీసుకెళ్ళండి, root 2 sin theta is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. So cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. So this is numerically rationalization. ఇంతమంది మనం చేసిన trigonometric rationalization. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ see question number 9th. Question number 9th. You need to know what is AQ plus BQ formula. What is AQ plus BQ formula? AQ plus BQ. So tell me that question first of all. Question number chep. Sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta bracket close minus 3 sin power 4 theta plus 4 theta. This is also in bracket. Yes. See, a square plus b square it's okay, but aq plus bq formula also you have to know. Algebra formulas: a plus b into a minus b, a square plus b square, a square minus b square, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a plus b plus c whole square, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. And if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. These all are algebra formulas 8th class no vasthayi. Very, very important. Not only in trigonometry, not only in differentiation, anywhere this is very important. Okay, so see, I will tell you solution. 2 into this we can write sine square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. Can we write? Minus 3 into దీని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. Doubt, sir, can we write this is sin cube theta whole square? Right. Cube power 2 or 2 power 3 both are same. 2 3 ja 6. But sin square cos square, why we are writing? We have identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Now this is in the form of formula a cube plus b cube. What is the formula a cube plus b cube? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And this is in the form of a square plus b square. This also you know a plus b whole square minus 2ab, or we can write a minus b whole square plus 2ab also same. But here we have a square plus b square is 1, sin square plus cos square. That's why I am writing in terms of a plus b whole square. So which is equal to 2 into a cube plus b cube, a plus b. What is a? Sin square theta is a. A means sin square theta plus what is b? Cos square theta whole, sorry, into a square. A square means sin square whole square. Sin power 4 theta. Please respond. Sin power 4 theta minus a into b. Sin square theta into cos square theta plus b square. Cos power 4 theta and minus 3 into a square plus b square, a plus b whole square, a sin square theta plus b cos square theta whole square minus 2ab, 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Any doubt? Just expansion, no simplification. 2 into this value is what? 1, and this is sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta means this only na, అంటే ఇదేగా అంటే దీని వాల్యూ ఏదొస్తుంది రాసుకోవచ్చు ఇక్కడ. That we will write later, అందుకే నేను ఒక బ్రాకెట్ వదిలేస్తున్నా this. Okay, and minus 3 2 into కదా, yeah, minus 3 into what is the value of this? This is what? 1 square 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So here also you will get what? In place of sin power 4 cos power 4 you will get what? 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Already minus more sin square theta cos square theta undiga. Only this value is this from that. Now which is equal to 2 into 1, 2 plus into minus, this is also same, 2 sin square cos square, 1 more sin square cos square, 3 sin square cos square, 2 3 ja 6 sin square theta cos square theta. 3 into 1 minus 3, minus into minus plus 3 2 ja 6 sin square theta cos square theta. So here minus and plus will get cancel. What is the answer finally? Minus 1. Okay na? Correct na? Yes, minus 1. Is there minus 1? Right, minus 1 is the answer. Next, one more very, very important question that you will get in second year also to be integration లో వస్తుంది. So question number, what is the question number? Continuation number 7. Prove that tan theta plus cot theta whole square is equal to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. మళ్ళీ వస్తుంది, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, it will repeat. So first of all, this a plus b whole square tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 tan theta into cot theta. What is 2 tan theta into cot theta value? 1. Already we know. Now tan square theta plus 1 cot square theta plus 1. How sir? Yeah, 2 na, I am writing 1 again 1. This is identity. What is 1 plus tan square theta? What is 1 plus cot square theta? 1 plus tan square theta is what? secant square theta. This is cosecant square theta. Already I gave you identities. Now, first proof finished. Second, write secant square theta 1 by what? Cos square theta. Cosecant square theta 1 by what? Sin square theta. Now do LCM. Sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta into cos square theta. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta. What is 1 by sin square theta? Cosecant square theta. 1 by cos square theta? Secant square theta. That only the proof. Last proof. Understand? So this is also very important. This you have in second year. Malli also this will say hi. This is question number 10 now. Yeah, 11th one. Take as homework. Consider is 8th one. Homework. Now come to 12th one. Very important. There is 9th question. What is the question? Tell me. If tan 20 is equal to lambda, then show that tan 160 minus tan is equal to 1 minus lambda square by 2 lambda. Now I am taking LHS, Nana. Tan 160 minus tan 110 by tan 160 into, we have no tan 160, 110, 160, 110 here. We have values. Here only given what tan 20 is lambda. Tan 20 lambda means what is cot 20? Reciprocal 1 by lambda. 1 by tan 20 kada. Now convert 160 110 in terms of 20. That is your challenge. So I am writing tan 160 as 180 minus 20. Can I write? And 110 as 90 plus 20. Can I write? By 1 plus tan 180 minus 20. 90 plus 20, and you know the values of this. 180 minus what? Theta what? 180 plus theta what? In terms of all trigonometric ratios, 90 plus what? 90 minus what? So 180 minus which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant tan negative, so minus 180 tan only na, tan 20 minus 90 plus second quadrant again. So 160 second day, 110 second day. So that is 90 means cot, but second quadrant negative, that is plus cot 20, right? But this is also 1, this is negative minus tan 20, but this is minus cot 20, again minus into minus plus. So which is equal to cot 20 minus tan 20 by 1 plus tan 20 into cot 20. What is the value of cot 20? 1 by lambda minus lambda by 1 plus 1 by lambda into lambda. Answer 2 lambda, right? So here lambda lambda, numerator LCM lambda square 1 minus lambda square, sorry, 1 minus lambda square by LCM what? Lambda 1 plus 1 what? Just 2 lambda. Yes, hence proof. Understand? So this type of question, we have one more question, that is, see, in this exercise such one, that is page number 233, second Roman, second bit, second question. Consider as question number 10. If tan 20 is equal to what? P, then find the value of, what is it? Tell me. Tan 16, tan 16 plus tan 700, 700 by tan 560 minus tan 470 is equal to 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square. Similar question, student. You have to convert in terms of 20. That is your problem. Tan 20 p means what is cot 20? 1 by p. Very good. Now LHS I am writing directly. Tan 16 we need in terms of 20. Tan of 630 minus 20. Can we write? 630 odd axis. Next 720 only. Next my plus tan 700. Tan 720 minus 20. Can we write? 560 tan 540 plus 20, right? Minus tan 470, yeah? Tan 450 plus 20. How, sir? How we can know that exactly 630, 720, 450? Ela quadrants. 4 quadrants kada? 0, 90, 180, 270, 360 plus 90, 450 plus 90, 540 plus 90, 630 plus 90, 720 plus 90, 810 plus 90, 900 plus 90, 990 plus 90, 1080 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90. So which is close to that value 610, 630, 20. Again what 700, 720. Again what 560, 540. Again what 470, 450. Okay. So now which is equal to 610, which quadrant? Third quadrant. Tan positive. Tan positive. But 630 on which axis? Odd axis. So it will be cot 20. 720 minus 700, which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, tan negative minus 700, 720, which is even axis, that is only same tan 20 by 560, which one? 560, this one, the third one, which is positive. So 540 plus 20, tan 540. 540, which axis? Even axis, that is tan 20. And tan 450 plus 450, which is odd axis, tan will cut, but negative or positive? Which quadrant? 470. Second negative आएगा, minus cot 20. Now substitute 1 by lambda minus lambda, lambda minus 1 by lambda, which is p kada. Okay, no problem. So which is 1 minus lambda square by lambda square minus 1 na plus na? This will be plus kada, plus 1 by lambda. This cancel, which is equal to 1 minus lambda square by 1 plus lambda square, where take this is lambda. P, no problem. Okay. Understand? Understand? So wait. Okay. See, in your exercise 6CA exercise, in this exercise, Roman number 1, first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit, fifth bit, all are homework. Roman number 1 completely homework, finding values. Maybe you will get doubt in fifth bit. If you doubt, I will explain you. Okay. Second Roman first bit lo prove that there na problems, 5 problems, homework. Second bit lo first bit, first problem, homework. Second already I explained you. Third no need. Then third bit also your wish. There is no force. Third bit. Fourth bit that I will explain you tomorrow. Fourth bit, and third Roman also we'll discuss tomorrow. Third Roman also very important. And this total exercise for only very shorts. Total exercise very shorts. Okay. ఇది బాగా చేస్తే మీకు మంచిగా వస్తుంది trigonometry. Thank you. Share to maximum. We'll discuss next continuation trigonometry in next class.